What's up, guys? It's been a minute. I know we didn't put up some videos the past 2 weeks, I think. Week 7, week 8. I don't know. Whatever.
Day 5,000.
It's all the same, you know. It was yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Anyway, it's May though. That I know. So welcome to May. As you can see, I've changed my outfit to commemorate springtime.
Trying to be spring?
Trying to be spring. Also, for all you haters, I'm wearing that whole entire show. So, anyway, today we're going to cook. I can't pronounce it in Taiwanese, so I'm gonna let John pronounce it.
Real fun.
There you go. It's basically braised minced pork or braised pork dish. It's a traditional Taiwanese dish. And I have been making it the past few weeks for John, and I think I'd like to share that with you guys. It's very easy and it's really yummy. So the ingredients you need, again, are on the description down below, but I'll say it anyway. You need a pound of minced pork, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 shallots minced, 5 ounces of shitake mushroom, 4 hard-boiled eggs, or 3 or 2, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a cup soy sauce, and then 1/4 cup of Chinese wine, cooking wine. We have this really clutch 5-spice packet that we have bought a while ago from Chinatown. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a regular 5-spice. You can use a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, which you can buy at a regular market, and it will taste the same. We already chopped our things, so we're just gonna make our sauce now. In a mixing bowl, put your sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of that, and then 1/4 cup of the Chinese cooking wine. If you are not using one of these packets, just add your teaspoon of 5-spice powder in there, and we're just gonna mix it. Mix well. Alright, and then we're just gonna head up to the stove and start cooking. Alright, and if you have one of these Dutch oven, use them. If not, I don't know, you can use a regular saute pan. Turn your heat into medium-high heat, and just add 2 tablespoons of your regular canola oil or any high
Smoking point.
Using grapeseed oil. Just gonna saute our shallots and garlic first. So we're gonna saute it until it's tender. So after a few minutes, shallots and garlic should be soft now and sauteed. So we're just gonna set it aside. So after setting that aside, we're just gonna add more oil, maybe a teaspoon more oil. Add our minced pork right away, and just brown it. We're not gonna season it really because we're using soy sauce and so that's what's gonna give it flavor. After a few minutes, your pork is brown, so just add your mushrooms and then cook it for like a minute or 2. So after you add in your sauce, add water until it's like, it almost covers the whole thing. Also add your hard-boiled eggs. Make sure you push them down. Add the packet, push it down too. So we're just gonna let this boil for a little bit before we put it in simmer. So for those of you asking how much water, I don't know, like 2 cups of water or 2 of these. Just make sure it's covered enough. That's it. So use your best judgment. So it's boiling now, so we're just gonna lower our heat to simmer and cover it. Basically tell Echo set a timer for 45 minutes. Gonna wait for 45 minutes.
In that time, make your rice.
That time, make your rice, make your side veggies, prepare a plate. 45 minutes later, it is ready to be plated. Already prepared our plate here with some side veggies, and I took out 2 of the 4 eggs that I put in and just slice it in half. You don't have to slice it, you don't have to do that. But you know, just being extra. We're also gonna garnish it with some green onions, fresh from our little thingy-majig. We cut them up and harvested it. Voila! There you go. You made some braised minced pork. And to say it in Taiwanese is?
Lura fun.
Very easy dish. Very yummy dish. So I hope you guys try this recipe. And if you try it and you made it better, let us know.
That hat though.
Anyway, I hope you guys are staying sane. I don't know when this will end. We all don't know, but I think we're all trying, you know, our best to cope and to be one. We're all in this together and we're gonna survive it, and I know that. And I don't know why, but I know that it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, guys. It's just what you tell yourself every day to make it better. See you guys next time. Bye. Verdict. Nice haircut.
Thanks. Someone gave it to me. It's like a cafe. Taiwanese cafe.